Welcome back to Overheat, Ford Transit Campervan 2026. External, to increase headroom inside, the 2026 Campervan will frequently have a high roof version. Because it has ample capacity for a bed, kitchen, and bathroom, the long or extended version is the most common length for campervan conversions. The Ford Transit's iconic big grille, contemporary headlamps, and aerodynamic body lines will continue to dominate the exterior appearance. On the sides and back, more windows will be added for illumination and ventilation. It will have a rear ladder for convenient access to the roof, a roof rack for transporting extra gear like bicycles or kayaks, and retractable side awnings for shade. Interior, one of the main features will be the bed. Some designs have a bed that is fixed at the back, while others have a bed that may be used as a chair or sofa. The galley will have a mini fridge or freezer, a tiny sink, and a 2-burner gas cooktop. There will be well-considered storage space for groceries and kitchenware. In the forward cabin, 2 swivel chairs are often positioned on either side of a tiny, foldable or detachable table. Overhead cabinets, concealed shelves, and underbed drawers will all be included in the well-designed storage area. A selection of gasoline and diesel engines, including the fuel-efficient EcoBoost engine, will probably be available for the 2026 Ford Transit. Diesel engines, like the 2.0L EcoBlue, are frequently chosen because of their high torque, fuel efficiency, and suitability for heavy-duty hauling. All-wheel drive AWD, rear-wheel drive RWD, and front-wheel drive FWD are available for the Ford Transit, for convenience of driving. Automatic transmissions will either be standard or a very popular option. One essential element is the electrical system. The 2026 Campervan will have an external power outlet, rooftop solar panels, or a deep cycle battery that can be charged by the alternator while the engine is operating. This will supply electricity to outlets, a refrigerator, LED lights, and other devices.